easy go.
Bruh.
I shot him 3 times and he didn't die. That's a joke. I hit one.
They both went left.
That's a 4-win streak.
Once.
Yeah, he was behind me. This is in front of you. Left.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
Standing. I expect nothing.
I'm probably gonna die trying. Well,
Yours the last.
someone went left.
One.
Middle.
That was so
How did you
close.
not?
I don't want to go the same route she's going.
Aw.
You're
no,
all
no,
left.
same.
Finish it.
How you just like lay down. Every time I play a game with you, like I know that there's 0 chance of me dying.
Oh, he came push the Uzi.
Move up fire. Go.
I'm fucking dead with this right now.
I already know they're gonna be up here. Look. Yep. Called it.
Oh shit, he's by me, he's by me!
Got you.
Stay hungry. There's more where that came from.
You my goddamn hero.
Already half certain one went up.
Oh my god!
Oh,
Sorry.
he fucking stuck me.
Oh my god! Wow!
Still got shitty ass kills again.
Okay,
Man, you
Rose.
should sell the game.
Maybe next time.
Yeah, sell the game though.
GG.
Look at me. I'm the captain now.
Yes. Wow, all the way in the back. Let's go.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Going into blue.
Wow.
Go. Secure that objective.
Nice.
Me too.
Hit back.
A few moments later.
Objective in play. Get after it.
He's gonna win. Nah, dang.
Oh fuck. That's far. I saw him in front of me. And I just...
Learn from the loss. Come back harder.
That was insane. Bruh.
That was too good.